Hi, welcome to another episode of Marriott's Chariots. Today we're not looking at slot cars or scale electric cars. We're looking at a model, 132 scale Willys Jeep, World War II Willys Jeep, that you would use with your sort of 132 soldiers, etc. This guy, I've already started taking him apart. The problem that this one had, actually let me just show you the details. So this is, there we go, Willys Jeep. It's made by a company called Newray. They've done a few quite decent detailed models, and I really like the detail on this. Well, it would look a lot better if it was complete. So this guy, his main problem was the windscreen got a bit smashed up during a carpet battle, I would imagine. So it'll be nice to get it repaired and looking better and become more of a display model and looked after instead of destroyed on the floor. So that was the problem. The windscreen had got smashed. The only surviving bit really was this section here, so I've just glued it on, but we're probably gonna have to try and match up the paint, kind of an olive green, once we finish the repairs. So this side, we're going to just build a frame just out of a bit of thin wood, roughly here we go, something along those lines. We'll just cut it down to shape, have a piece across there and an upright down the bottom, and then we'll just glue in a little bit of perspex like that onto the back and paint it all green. Now, just to make it a bit stronger, I thought what we'd do is, as we've done with other models, we'll use our trusty little sections of paper clip, and we're going to using our little handheld twist drills. You can see I've drilled a small hole down there, and we'll do the same in the end of our replacement bit of wood. There we go. Just give it a bit of strength, so we'll put a tiny little piece of section of a paper clip down there. I'll probably do the same on the upright here, and maybe try and do the same on the corner where the two bits will join. If you can imagine up here, so the equivalent over there, put like a little strengthening corner bit in, and hopefully that'll make it a bit stronger as well. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to crack on, do that, and then we will assemble it all in a moment. So like I said, there was a whole load of screws in the bottom, and they basically hold all these wonderful bits in. You've got a rear chair, you've got the driver and passenger chairs sit in the front. They're all screwed down. This wonderful bit that probably get painted up as well, that's the all the luggage that sits in the back there. So we'll get all that done, and we've got a driver, one of the Britain's detailed drivers. He's all painted up, and hopefully we can squeeze him in, see how it all looks in a minute. Catch you later. Right, and there we go, all done, painted, glass in, looking a lot better. All I've done is painted this whole panel that would house the windscreen. If you look carefully, you can see that this olive green is not quite exactly the same as the rest of the vehicle, but that's fine. It's the it would be the panel that would normally flop down in the real model as a removable foldable windscreen. And there we go, we've put the driver in. This guy's currently got a load of jerry cans and a fuel drum and things. I'm not too sure why he's got a bucket hanging on his mirror there, but there you go. But pleased with that, looking a lot better. Thank you very much.